A while back I told you I was going to still make a few more scooter videos, but I haven't done it yet. But it should be happening in the near future. Okay, let me tell you first. I'm not a smoker, but I have a small collection of lighters. There's one lighter that's missing I can't find. It's a regular cigarette-looking cigarette lighter. It looks like a cigarette. Some lighters are old, so they don't work anymore, meaning they need to be refilled, and some are new. And I have some coming in the mail. When they do come, I will have new videos. Let's start off. First, here is a scooter lighter. Showcase this one. Scooter lighter. It does move, as you saw, and it can still work. So, let's see. Let's put it back. Next, we have the Budweiser lighter. Doesn't work anymore, but here is a Budweiser. Next, we have a slot machine lighter. Doesn't work either. It needs to be refilled. If you win a slot machine, it will start singing Yankee Doodle into town. But here's what happens if I just press it normally. Let's see if I win though. Nope, I didn't win. But I have won many times. Here's a regular Bic lighter. Doesn't work. Here's a shotgun shell lighter that I just recently got. It's a new one. Along with the scooter lighters new. I got a cell phone lighter, but the battery must be dead. You used to ring, you used to go ding, ding, ding. Cell phone lighter. I got this lighter that moans like a woman used to moan, but battery's dead, so doesn't moan anymore. I got this lighter. It's a gun. And it does have laser lights. Pointers. There's one. Here's another one. Wait, sorry. Here's another one. They're starting to fade. I think it needs batteries, new batteries too. Here's another one. It used to be a different kind, but I think it's fading. So, it needs new batteries. Then I got this one. And this gun is also a laser point. Okay, hope you enjoyed. I know it's kind of messed up video, but I hope you enjoyed.